The rental and hospitality industries are changing rapidly. Customer expectations continue to approach high levels for quality and consistency. Field service teams are no longer viewed as issue fixers who can operate at the lowest cost. These teams have become customer ambassadors, and the relationships they establish with homeowners and renters are vital to earn 5-star reviews and add value to your brand. Without superior services, you could be falling behind, or worse, losing money. What should you do? Get EZcare. EZcare streamlines your entire back-office operation. Our software automates housekeeping, maintenance, inspections, inventory, linen, guest messaging, and accounting. First, there's our powerful dashboard solution that supplies all of your field information at a glance. Quickly see how many turns you have, how many exceptions, schedule your tasks, all at your fingertips. EZ provides a mobile solution to instantly communicate between office and field staff, replacing all those phone calls and text messages. Set up workflows to automatically trigger inspections when cleans are complete. Auto-create work orders when damage is reported. Create historical records for overall asset protection. EZcare also provides direct integration with iCal, Escapia, Track, Streamline, Barefoot, Guesty, Rent Manager, and more. Did you know EZcare already handles over 1 million jobs a month? No other competitor can say that. And there is no competitor who can match our toolkit for the price. Intrigued? See how EZcare is built to provide money-saving efficiencies and instant ROI. It's easy. Give EZcare a call, email, or sign up for a live demonstration today.